let's do my skincare routine. I'm going to use my Makeupbyalaha beef tallow as a makeup remover. Just a little bit of that. Rub it between your hands. And melt away all of your makeup. I like to do the corners of my eyeliner, but not the top because I have these lash extensions on. Now I'm going to take a little bit of beef tallow on both sides of the Q-tip. You need a very tiny amount. Warm it up in my hand and remove the liner. If you don't have lashes, you could just use the beef tallow to take off the mascara. Now I'm going to use that to take off the mascara at the bottom too. Now that I look nice and crazy, I'm going to wash this off. Face is washed and dried. Now going back in with some beef tallow. Warm it between your hands and just rub it everywhere. I like to do my neck. Next, I'm going to use my beef tallow smoothing stick. Apply this under my eyes and over my eyes. Laugh lines and lips. I also like to do right here because I don't ever want to get those number 11s, and you can apply a little to your forehead as well. Just pat that in. Done. The beauty of this stick is that it can literally be used everywhere and anywhere. It can be used under your eyes to prevent fine lines under makeup, without makeup, for your laugh lines, for any wrinkles that you have, for that extra hydration. Eye spots, elbows, ankles, I don't care. Anywhere, literally anywhere. That's it, guys. That's my entire skincare routine. Literally 3 products. 2 of these and a face wash to remove my makeup, to hydrate. Feels good to just make it a 2-product kind of thing because nobody has 5 hours to get unready. Anyway, that's it. Good night.